Okay, good morning, guys, and welcome to another episode of Monterey Technicals. As we all know, and for those that are just coming or those that are just joining us for the first time, this is basically a market outlook session. We get to see what opportunities can get from the market, and then you guys get to see how I get my entries. You guys get to see my trading framework, basically my trading system, how I get my entries, what I'm risking, and all, yeah, and then how I manage my trades. So let's get started. But then before we get started, for those that will be watching this video on YouTube, please like and subscribe to the page, and then you can always drop comments on what you want to be seeing from me more. Yeah, if you want to be seeing educational videos, you can drop comments on that, all that sort of stuff. Yeah, so let's jump on it. So today, okay, by 2:30, there's the high impact news on USD. That's advanced GDP. That's and Q on Q is quarterly. So we're looking at a whole lot of volatility by then. So let's just see what happens by then. So let's jump on our charts and see what we can get. Good morning. Let's start with the pairs I trade. NZD and AUD So NZD is still it's still not giving me. I don't want to say what I want, but then I'm not seeing anything clear yet. So for now, if you were just inside this range, we have just been inside this range. Yeah. Then above here. So we've just been inside that range for a while now. So until we exit either to the top or to the bottom, I'm not really doing anything on it. The next one is AUD. Now, this pair here, we're expecting a retest at this point here. Yeah, this one here. This one here, but then price just missed it. I think, was it 2 pips? Let me see. Oh, 5 pips. Price just missed it with 5 pips. So we went up. Did we create another high? Let me see. Did we create another high? No, price is not close above that week. So there was no break of structure, or there is no break of structure. And price is sort of retracing right now. What we can just do is pay attention to it. We have a new range. If we can break above, then we'll be looking at a retest. But then what if we don't break above? Then we'll be looking at this low here. Yeah, so it will be this low here. That's where I'll be looking at to see if price can shift. That's on how price comes to this area and then breaks it below. That would be a shift in market structure. So can look out for a sell there. So that's what I'll be looking out for now on AUD USD. Let's just wait and then see how it plays out. But then price is looking like that started retracing. So it's just to pay attention to it and see what happens. Then let's check GU. So GU was quite funny yesterday. I took a sell on GU around, was it around somewhere around here? And then my stop loss was around above here, somewhere here. And then my target was down here. I think it was a 2-hour trade. Yeah. And then price just came inside. It was, I think it was less than 20 pips to the stop loss. I mean, to the take profits. Yeah. Yeah, 19 pips. And then it just reversed and then it went and took me out. I think the mistake I made was not moving my stop loss to break even. That was the problem. That was where the problem was coming from, me not moving my stop loss to break even. Anyways, lessons learned. Today, what do we have? What do we have today? We sort of shifted structure. This was a downtrend. We created a lower high, failed to create another lower low, and then now we've broken the lower high today. Upside. Yeah, classic shift in market structure. Abuja trading floor. Yesterday we spoke about this, yeah? So where are we waiting to enter? At the neckline. So we have a high, we wait for price to come back to retest here before we jump on it. So that's what we're going to be watching out for on GU. So we have a high, let's wait for price to retrace, come back, and then we'll pick our orders. We can even use our fib. Let's see if we can use our fib to confirm it. Yeah, 0.618 is just around that zone. So let's just watch out and see how it plays out. Yeah, so that's what I have on GU. Then Euro USD. This one is still very much inside this range. I still don't understand what's wrong with this pair. Still don't really understand, or it is what it is. I don't want to start forcing, I don't want to feel like I'm forcing trades on it. That's why I'm just waiting for it to properly create structure. But then this yesterday's trade, yeah, I mean, this yesterday's retracement just stopped at 0.618 because we actually broke this high. And then today too, we broke another high. So we might actually see, let's see, yeah, we might actually see price coming to tap into that 0.618, which is around here. Yeah, so let's just see anything. But me, I'm not going to trade it. I think the only thing I have a clear setup on now is GU. And then AED is just to watch out and see how it behaves. Then GBP JPY. GBP JPY hits CP. But then, yeah, when we're analyzing it, we're like, we're going to set orders, yeah? And then wait for price to come back and activate it. Price went back, activated it, and then boom, it just went to CP. Funny thing is, I did not set the orders. And I think Paki did, Ibrahim, he did. And then he later messaged me on Snapchat that they flipped $13 to $80 with this trade. And it was actually like a very, very mad setup. So let's just see what can we expect on this today, or what can we look out for on this today. So we broke this low to the downside. This one here, we broke it to the downside. Price came back to create this move to the downside now is basically price creating a lower low. Price came back to create what, a lower high, but then failed to create another lower low. It's sort of that shift you're seeing on GBP USD. So now we have this lower high here. If price can break it to the upside, then we'll look for what, a retest of it. That's what we'll be looking out for on this one. But then if it doesn't break and then breaks this low to the downside, then that's what we're going to start looking for. We're basically continuing the downtrend. So we'll be looking out for that break retest and then for a continuation. That's what I'm looking out for on GBP JPY. I don't want to touch gold. Gold up to now. What did we even analyze on gold? Nah, gold is quite shitty right now. I'm not going to say anything about it. Is there another pair you guys want us to take a look at before we go?
CADCHF.
See what?
CADCHF.
Okay, card CHF. Okay. We checked you, no worries. So this is card CHF. We had this low here. Price broke it to the downside. I think, yeah, this was yesterday. So what we can just expect is a retest of it for price has basically created a lower low. Price has not gone back to create a lower high yet. So we can just wait and see how it behaves. But then this way I'll be targeting, we can still drop our Fibonacci from this level to this level. Yep, it's exactly at that 0.618. The zone is exactly there. So that's an area I can watch out for. You can set an alert there and wait for price to get there, and then you see how you. But that's an area to take yourself. That's level there. Is there another pair you guys want us to take a look at? Someone said we should take a look at GU again. So this is the analysis on GU. Price basically shifted structure yesterday. We created a lower high, failed to create a lower low, and then we broke above it. Yeah. This is our lower high that was broken. So we're waiting for price to get back there, and then for us to have what, a retest of it. And then we'll take buys from here towards so the upside. So that's what I'm basically watching out for on GBP USD. Is there any other pair you guys want us to take a look at?
GBP NZD.
GBP NZD. Where do you guys get all these cross pairs from? It's almost the same thing. We broke this level to the upside, yeah. So we sort of shifted structure. So now what we can do, but then this is my problem with cross pairs. You can see that it's looking like it did a double top here and then it's breaking to the downside, but then that's some sort of minor structure. But then the zone I'll actually be watching for price to get to is this one here. That's what I'm seeing on this pair. Yeah, take buys from here to the upside. But then one thing with cross pairs is, please, you guys should, I don't know, try your best not to trade a lot of cross pairs. Yeah, try your best not to trade a lot of them. they are quite tricky, and then their spreads are always high. So you don't want to be caught up in some, how will I put it? You don't want market to jam you. Is there any other pair you guys want us to take a look at? Let me see. What do we have here? Accountants, how are you?
Good morning, sir.
How are you doing?
I'm fine. I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, that's nice. You came late.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, no worries now, no worries. Rashid is just coming. Rashid will go and watch this one on YouTube. You go and watch the video on YouTube. So like I was telling you guys yesterday, so I started my prop account. Yeah, started trading it yesterday, and GU, I was sort of careless with GU, and then I lost 1%, but then this is what it is. I don't think it's up to 1%. Let me check. Where is that distance? Let me try logging it. Yesterday I started logging in, but then I stopped halfway. Let me see. I think they're supposed to send me a code. What's this one again? These people are always doing in here. Still gonna tell me that it's expired. 1 sec. I don't think it's up to 1%. So now, yesterday when I was telling you guys about this prop stuff here, I was like, I'm going to be showing you guys how I risk and then what I risk per trade and all. Let's see. Send a code to my mail. Okay. Yeah. My execution, my execution time frame is the 15 minutes, but then where I analyze, like where I get, how will I put it? Where I get my entries, is on, how will I put it now? Where I get my zones is on the 1 hour time frame, but then how I enter or where I get my entry confirmation is on the 15 minutes. Yeah, so this is it. Let's see. Yeah, this is the account. Challenge. So this is consummate traders, yeah. See, is it advisable to sell? No. GU is bullish now. It will not be cool if you sell it. Do you get? It's better to wait because now, in an uptrend, buys are more like they're high probability. I'm not saying the sell cannot happen. The sell can happen, but then what is low probability? Do you get? It's not going to yield as much as you waiting for the buys. Okay, so okay. How much have I lost? Yeah, minus 88%. Yeah, minus 88%. It was not even up to 1%, 0.88. So that's basically it. But then I know next trades we are it's gonna be better. I think the mistake I made was that not moving my stop loss to break even. I'm still trying to investigate why. So, but this is it. The balance is now at 14,868. So I'm still going to be trading it. And then this trade actually went up to $200 yesterday, yeah, $200, which is like 1% plus. Anyways, that's basically it. Please, for those that are just coming late, we're done with the market outlook. But I'll be sending the video immediately after the session, so you guys can watch it. Say Mr. Mark is here. Rashid too came late. Rashid, I already told you are watching this thing on YouTube.
Mr. Scooby, you didn't drop the link on WhatsApp now.
I dropped the link is on my status now. I think I dropped it on that group, yeah.
No, I
No, you didn't
see.
drop it on the group, oh. Abi?
Eh.
Yes,
Yeah.
I just dropped it now.
Oh, okay. Sorry. I'll drop.
That was the reason why I came late.
That's the reason why I came late.
Wait, so that okay, now no worries. I'll drop the link on the group chat tomorrow. Drop the link.
All right, thanks.
Oh, we're done. Oh, someone is asking how can you join the group? Okay, the group, see, the group on WhatsApp is totally different, but then our main group is on Telegram. I'm going to send the link to that right now to join the one on Telegram. So you can join the one on Telegram and follow. I think you're on the one on Telegram now, Adewale. Yeah, you're on the one on Telegram. The one on WhatsApp is basically my students from Happy Forex. That's why. Okay, guys. So in the absence of any other pair, Adewale is from Happy Forex. I thought you were from this thing, Dr. Bills. Nope. Okay. But then it's January batch. That's the thing. Please, this Adewale person, can you put a name that I know you with? Someone that I'm seeing, name that I don't know. September set. Okay. Anyways, one sec. Just send me a message on WhatsApp, yeah? Send me a message on WhatsApp. Anyways, guys, this is where we're going to be ending the session. For those that came late, I'll be sending a link so you can use it and watch it, and then watch out for all the setups we have, yeah? Oh, it was nice having you guys. I'll catch you guys same time tomorrow. Stay safe, guys, and then have a very wonderful trading day. And please, yeah, before we go, always remember, yeah, that the only thing that is certain in this market is that anything can happen. So always trade from that perspective. I tell people a lot, yeah, always trade from that perspective. Now, anything can happen doesn't mean it's only bad thing that can happen. Yeah, in times where you've lost hope with a setup and then you're feeling like, oh, the setup cannot move, all that sort of stuff, please just know that anything can happen. Your own is just what? Do your analysis, follow your set parameters, and then what? Watch how the market will play out. Yeah, so have fun, guys. I'll catch you guys same time tomorrow. Bye, guys.